Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer in Oklahoma City. Today we're looking at this awesome 2018 Ram Promaster 2500 high roof cargo van. Under the hood is a 3.6 liter V6 gas engine with only 95,000 miles. In the rear with the gear is a 10-foot long cargo area with bulkhead. We also have available E-track, straps, loading ramps, anything you need. We have financing, extended warranties, so come on by and check us out. Or you can visit us online to see our huge inventory of cargo vans, box trucks, and work body trucks. Phone number 405-912-5800.